Hi guys, so one of the most important things of writing a good professional email is getting your subject right. Most of the times we end up getting our subjects too long or they're too short. The max number of words I'd go is between 3 to 5 words. Don't make it funny. Keep it very simple and unidirectional, right? So say things like new business meeting or CV of new candidate or applying for the job of. Make it simple, make it direct, don't make it too long, because when a person gets that mail, it ends up getting half hidden. Okay, short forms are allowed in subject lines because a lot of people know that if the subject line is too long, it gets half hidden. Certain applicable short forms according to me are words like APPL, which is applying, EVNG, which is evening, MRNG, which is morning, EVNT is event, MNGR is manager. Okay, super important, don't write dear. Dear is such an archaic way of writing. Don't write hey. Hey is way too casual. In some moments, writing respected makes sense. So either you go respected sir or you go respected ma'am. Don't go madam, go ma'am. A lot of times, if you want to skip writing sir, ma'am because you don't know, writing good evening, good morning makes a huge difference as well. Hi is actually now an acceptable way of starting a sentence. So if you use hi Mr. and then the name, hi Mrs. and then the name, or hi Miss, be careful to not write Mrs. if you don't know if the person's married or not. A safer way to go ahead would be to just write hi Miss. Most people are not offended when you write Miss instead of Mrs. When you're writing an email to a group of people, writing hi all is just unacceptable. Write hi everyone. That's a way better way of starting your email. It's super important to set context before you actually start an email. Most of your emails should be related to a certain event or something that you've seen or in response to something. So it's important that you start your sentence, your first sentence, with setting context. Start the sentence with regard to your mail about. Most of us end up writing with regards to your mail. That's incorrect. You need to write the word regard. Now, the body of your mail should be very, very clear and concise. Put down the points that you need to convey. A lot of times writing in the format of points or bullets makes a huge difference because a person can quickly grasp what you're saying. Always see to it that you end your email with action points. If your email ends with no action points, people will not respond to your email. So things like, I suggest that as the next steps, number 1, we should dash. Number 2, we should also. Number 3, we should definitely. Add action points that are relevant to your email and put it down like that, that I suggest that as the next steps, we should, right? So see to it that you have action points. It makes a huge difference. The way you end your email is important because that will define what the person does with your email as well. So here are some options as to how you can end your email. I'll wait for your thoughts on the same. Or you can say something like, we'll wait for your response on the same. Or you can say something like, awaiting your view on the same. Or you can say something like, let me know your position on the subject. These are nice professional ways of actually ending your email. You can choose any one of them and use them as your end. Now, a sign off is super important. Things like yours faithfully, yours sincerely, thanks, thankfully yours. For years, I have been just practicing writing best and then my name. What you can do after you write your entire email is, some lines can be turned into bold. You can add bullet points to the points you've made, and you can add italics to wherever you're quoting someone. What that does is it adds a little flavor to your email and makes it non-boring. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you keep getting interesting videos like this in your notifications. I hope you make the most of today. Go out there, be nice, and keep hustling.